How to set up Brevo SMTP. In this video, I will show you how to exactly do that in order to send transactional emails using its SMTP. To do that, first head over and log into your Brevo. Then click on this gear icon right here, which is your settings. Once you're in there, you can see under the organization settings is the SMTP and API. Head over and click on that. From in there, you can see your SMTP. For this case, you can click on this regenerate SMTP login and master password. With this, you can generate a new SMTP key for this. Click on yes regenerate. And then as you can see, this has been created right here. We will now have right here this master password that we can use. You can copy in here this key that we have. Let me head over and copy it. Now you can set up this SMTP by using a plugin, like for example on WordPress for this. I have right here my WordPress site. From in there, proceed to the plugins option. And then after that, head over and search in here for Brevo. Click on the search bar, search for Brevo. Then proceed to click on the search icon or the enter onto your keyboard. And in here you can see this Brevo, email, SMS, web push, and likes. Head over and click on this one. And for this, make sure to click onto this upgrade and activate option right here. Once you have done that, it will ask for a Brevo API key. You can just paste that right there and it will successfully set up your SMTP using Brevo onto your site. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.